how to find registration codes for Amazon Prime Video. So if you want to find registration code for Amazon Prime Video, then what you need to do is the first thing is you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, go ahead and sign in to your Amazon Prime. Then the next thing you need to do is either sign in or register on the website option. Once you do that, find the code. A 5 to 6 digit registration code will appear on the left side of your TV screen. So enter the code on your computer or on your mobile browser. You need to go with your amazon.com/mytv. Once you go with amazon.com/mytv, it will take you to this kind of interface. So open up your Prime Video app on your TV or your device and then register on the Prime website, and your registration code appears on the left of your screen. Enter the registration code and then go with registered device, which will be on the right side. And in this way, you'll be able to register for your Amazon Prime Video. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.